Do you love bumper-to-bumper traffic? Have you always wanted to live in a concrete jungle? Do you love paying way too much for a tiny apartment? Then Elizabethtown, Kentucky and Hardin Memorial Health are not for you. Because here, you aren't going to get any of those things. Chances are you have seen us if you have traveled in Kentucky. Our central location makes it easy to get around.
Really where it's at is great for travel. From where I live, I can be at the Louisville Airport in 35-40 minutes. We're right next to I-65, so again, you want to go up to Louisville to go shopping, you want to go to Nashville, you can do that.
But Elizabethtown itself has so much to offer.
You still get that small town community, but yet with many amenities that you don't miss from a big city.
You want all the stores that you need, all the restaurants that you need. You want access to a big city. You still want to be able to have the option to do things that are maybe more off the beaten path. I think there's probably not a better place in the state than Elizabethtown for that.
With over 10 parks, Elizabethtown is committed to providing recreational opportunities of all types. For those of you with children, Elizabethtown and Hardin County have exceptional public and private school options. And if that's not enough to make you want to live in the area, how about affordable housing for single physicians and families?
You want to live comfortably, and you want to live within means and be able to enjoy life, take vacations, not have all your income poured into a home and a car.
So if you want all this combined with a great community, then Elizabethtown is for you.
One of the best things of this region, I think, are the people here, because they really are hardworking, nice people that you really just want to be your neighbors.
And at Hardin Memorial Health, we are dedicated to being a good neighbor, not only to the 10-county region we serve, but to our staff as well.
I think the most surprising thing about HMH is just how much of a family we are. I guess I was just really surprised at how easy it is to work with everybody, to get a hold of everybody inside work and even outside of work.
I love the family-oriented, get to know each other on a personal level in my practice. And if I wanted that in my practice, I definitely wanted to see that in the community also.
And this incredible network of physicians and leaders are on the cutting edge of offering the best medical services in the area.
We can care for just about every patient that comes through the doors.
We're frequently looking to extend our services and what we can add that the community and the surrounding counties need.
In late 2015, we signed an agreement to be a Marquis Research affiliate, so now we're able to open NCI-designated clinical trials for patients here.
Multiple services and specialties remain in high demand that need to be filled by quality providers. Opportunities abound at HMH.
There's a huge demand for health care, and we just don't have the supply of physicians to really meet the needs of our community. And there is such a demand for every type of physician. You name it, we need it.
As a physician, we all should love what we do, but it's important to find a place where you love doing it at. And for me, that place is here.
So the need is obvious, but the question is, will you come grow with Hardin Memorial Health?